Nagsusugba ako ng talong or eggplant. I will cook it I will cook tortang talong. It's called tortang talong mixed with egg. Eggplant with egg. Sugba muna natin. Tortang talong. So yum yum. Mga on. Good morning guys. May sunshine na. Napagita na si sun. Labay muna ako ng basura. Tatapon ko muna itong mga basura guys. Dito kami magtatapon ng basura. Good morning. Dito kami magtatapon ng basura guys. Summary. Oops. Ano na siya? Cleared na siya. Laba din ako guys. May nagsasampay dito eh. Wala nang cloudy. Maybe later it will change. Ganito yung ginagamit namin dito guys, pang walis. Kasi walang walis ting-ting dito. Pero okay na din siya. Brush. Tapusin ko muna to. Kay natulog ko lang si baby. Oh? Bila eating tomato. You eating tomato? Guys, daddy is here. What is the time? It's 10:35 na p.m. in the morning. Ito yung breakfast namin, niluto niya guys kasi na-busy man ako. So nagluto siya ng gulay. At saka syempre ugali yan, init. Open this door. Kasi malamig. Malamig kasi umuulan ng ano guys. Kagabi hanggang ngayon. Sana may araw na. Ay, ilang araw na ba na walang... Ay, kahapon pala umaraw pero saglit lang. Hala, yung ano ko dito, yung kangkong ni ate na binigay, na tumutubo na. Kain muna kami. Anong oras na? 10 a.m. kumakain. The one destroying it. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Say hi guys. See? Is the camera is there? Good. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hello guys, how are you all? Hope that you are okay. Yeah. So ayun guys, I will update you the school of Jeria na they going to the school na that first no they go home, that is Monday. Yeah, Monday and Tuesday Jeria school. So before they go guys, I give them the pocket money, 150 Kenyan shilling for Jeria and 150 Kenyan shilling for Moraro. And the fare my husband gave to go home there. So I remember that I did not pay for go to school to the village and to the school. That is also 150 Kenyan shilling. So I called Jeria. So I called the teacher of Jeria, and the teacher of Jeria give the phone to Jeria, and I asked if Jeria, where did you get the money for pay to go to schools? She said that grandfather give her 150 Kenyan shilling to go to school. Well, I did not remember na guys that time. So I tried to speak in English guys so that our viewers from this side, Kenyans and others, they understand, but I tried. I know I'm not good in speaking English, but a bit you can understand. So now, guys, I want to thank no, I called the teacher yesterday. Today is Friday, March. What is the day today? March 6. March 6 today. So I called yesterday, March 5, that what's going on. Uh, you're saying that remedial fee is 2,000 half. That is twice pala guys, half term and another term. So twice 2,000 Kenyan shilling. And I surprised that there are also 500 for dining hall construction like that. So I will put na lang, I will put na lang guys ng conversation namin ng kanyang teacher. So I paid that today from the sponsors money. I paid 3,100, 2,500 remedial and dining hall, and 500 for allowance of Jeria, and the 100 transaction fee. So 3,100 Kenyan shilling I give. So may ano pa siya guys, may magpapatahi pa siya, ipapatahi pa mga April na lang pag pumunta kami ni baby sa village kasi doon ko ipaplan na i-celebrate yung birthday ni baby April first week. Yeah, like that. So nagpapasalamat pala ako sa inyo guys. Kay Ma'am Jel Love Lifestyle Original. She sent the 1,600 yen. I think that when I convert guys, this is around $10 in dollars. But this one I will also put here guys if how much I received from YouTube to this $10. I only received $4.37. So malaki pala din yung share ni YouTube, no? Parang ano din, half din. And from from Ma'am Geraldine, California, USA. Thank you, Ma'am. She sent just recently, guys. She sent $60. So sabi niya, kay baby $20, kay Jeria and Murado 2020. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ma'am. God bless you. God bless you all. And Ma'am Holly from Canada. She sent also to the comment section, guys, Canadian dollar 69.99. But when I checked this morning, because she sent yesterday, ay, ano lang yun guys, 29 point something dollars. I will
$25.11 pala yon guys.
Malaki pala talaga yung kuha ni YouTube sa totoo lang. Sayang. Kay Ma'am Catherine Carisusa, thank you so much Ma'am. Nagsisend siya ng 1,000 pesos sa GCash ko. Si baby umiyak na andun yung daddy niya. Then, yeah. Ma'am Catherine, thank you so much Ma'am. Nag-send ikaw yesterday. And Ma'am Celia from Germany, she said that she will send to Jeria 50 euro every 2 months. This one is a big help for Jeria for sure, guys. Thank you so much, Ma'am. No, and Yeah, that is. Guys, I will tell you guys that kung magsisend kayo, para iwas din na scam, baka mag-ano kayo ba, magti-think na scam, ganun. So, I have my Facebook page, Pinay in Kenya, Africa. So, 42 followers na ngayon, guys. Yay! 42,000 followers na tayo ngayon, guys. So, doon nyo po ako i-message. You message me there po, please, if you want to give something for Julian school. Bye-bye, sumiyak na. For school, support, guys, no? And I use ano, guys, yung Maribank sa Philippines or C-Bank. Yan yung bank na ginamit ko, or GCash ng sister ko. Kasi yung GCash ko dito, guys, hindi nawala yung ano ko, SIM. So baka mamaya-maya aas ng code si GCash pag i-send nyo sa akin. So, hindi ko makukuha. So, yun na lang sa sister ko ginagamit ko. Yung name niya ay Kati. So, kung ano, guys, para hindi kayo ma-scam ng iba. Baka hindi natin alam, baka may magka-copy, di ba? So, gamit ko Maila Desamparado, and Kati, yeah, my sister. Oh, the name of GCash, Kati, and the name of bank account, may C-Bank or Maribank. Yan lang yun, guys. Kung gusto na nyo naman isi-send sa remittance, pwede naman Western. Pag dito din sa Kenya, pag gusto nyo i-direct, i-send nyo sa M-Pesa or sa Equity Bank ko. Yan lang yung available. Sorry. Wait, tatapusin lang ni ma'am, ha? Okay, ayun, guys, i-update ko kayo, ha? May ano ako dito, nilalagay ko talaga lahat. Kaya baka sabihin nyo, guys, ini-scam or kinukupit ko yung pera na para sa sponsor. Ay, ayaw ko ng ganun. Sabihan ako kahit small amount or big amount pa yan. Didihin ko muna, guys. Yun, continue tayo, guys. So, baka nagtatanong kayo, ba't sa Pilipinas pa isi-send kung direct na lang dito? Mas madali kasi, guys, pag doon sa Pinas yung gagamitin kong pera, gagamitin kong account na mag-send kayo kung saan yung available. Pwede naman direct dito. Ang ginagawa ko kasi, guys, ganito.
Nalubat yung mic ko, guys. So, continue na naman tayo. So, ang ginawa ko, guys, ganito. Kung mag-send kayo sa Philippine Bank account ko, ng money, ang gagawin ko dyan, si bank, ita-transfer ko sa Binance. Then, isi-send ko sa Binance ng husband ko dito. Then, kung alam niyo yung buy and trade, guys, buy and sell ba trading na piso to US dollar, then US dollar to Kenyan shilling. Yeah, ganyan yung ginagawa ko, guys. Mas mas maganda yun kasi least fees siya. Tapos yung rate niya is high. Depende din sa rate, high, may low, may high. Depende din sa amount. I don't eat that one. So ayun, guys, yung plan ko, guys, yung mga binibigyan ninyo ka Jeria, hindi ko ibibigay lahat, guys, yung sabi niyo na school allowance. Kasi ito, 'di ba, punta siya sa school, 150 Kenyan shilling mababayad. Tapos pauwi siya sa bahay, 150 Kenyan shilling. So it's 300 Kenyan shilling na pababalik sa school pag magko-close na sila. So yun ang gagamitin yun ang pera na gagamitin ko sa paggasto pag may sobra. Pag may sobra. Tapos yung bibigyan ko lang siya ng maybe 500 Kenyan shilling a month. Malaki na yun kasi may makain naman sa school, so makabili-bili siya ng snack ganun. And yung guys, yung may sobra pa ba, guys, yung plano ko, guys, pag may sobra, ha, kasi hindi naman lahat palagi, hindi naman yung sponsor natin, hindi naman yan i-sponsor palagi, di ba? Pag ayun, plano ko, guys, na i-ano ko to, baka sa sunod next year, o next year, i-ano ko sa sa school fees niya. Itataplak ko doon sa school fees niya, guys, pag may sobra. Kasi need budgetin yung money. Need yung budgetin yung money, guys, galing sa mga sponsors. Hindi natin yung gagalawin kung saan. Sa school lang talaga to. Kung sabi ninyo sa school to Nigeria school, sa school allowance niya ganun. Update pala no, yung sasabi na saan ang parents Nigeria. Yung parents pala Nigeria, guys, sa broken family yun sila. Yung father niya andun sa village, yung father niya is brother ng husband ko. Yung trabaho ng papa niya, no, nag-alaga lang ng hayop. Tapos parang hopeless life kasi iniwan ng mama. Tapos yung mama niya, ano na, guys, nag-aasawa na ng iba, at saka na may mga anak na. Tapos yung parang hindi na nafokusan yung ibang anak niya. May 3 kapatid si Jeria sa papa niya. Yung isang lalaki nag-eskwela na sa university, guys, college na din. Yung tumatawag din yun sa husband ko to hingi ng tulong. Tinutulungan naman niya pero hindi palagi, guys. Kaya sabi ng husband ko, hindi ka naman kita responsibility, may father ka, doon ka mahingi. Hindi kasi tayo lagi na lang tumulong. Lagi na lang tayo nang tutulong, 'di ba? Kasi may mga needs din tayo sa buhay. Yung lips ko diyan baka dry. Yun, guys, yung plano ko na iipunin ko hanggang sa may iipon para sa school next year niya. Kasi for sure, guys, wala yung sinabihan ko yung papa niya na before they go to school, before Jeria going to school, sabi ko nga, starting now, you need to save money for Jeria to the school fees for next year. Now you have 1 year to save money. We don't know, sabi ko, hindi natin alam na hanggang kailan lang yung tutulong at saka may sponsor siya, hindi yun palagi. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi naman yes, pero sa tingin ko, guys, hirap, wala. Kahit nga pamasahe papunta doon, wala. Yung kakain naman yung niya, guys, doon niya kamama. Tapos kami magbigay ng ng food kay mama doon, tsaka kapapa na mga gano'n. Kaya siguro na siya ba na hindi na lang ako magsabi. So thank you so much, guys. Nagpasalamat talaga ako sa inyo, guys, no, kasi yung ko ba na parang yung feeling ko, guys, na tinutulungan nyo din ako sa sa mga problema. Sa mga problema. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming talaga salamat sa inyo, no. Kailang basta matulungan lang natin siya na makapag-aral kahit high school man lang. Hindi natin alam in the future, di ba? So, ayun, thank you so much, guys, for watching. 43 road to 50,000 followers na tayo sa Facebook. Thank you so much, guys, sa hindi din pag-i-skip ng ads. Malaking tulong na yan. Thank you so much for watching. Say bye. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Marunong na talaga siya, guys. Ano yan? Yung scratch niya. Yung niya. Say hi, guys. Bulingit.